What's up, YouTube? Old Man Weiss here. I'm over here at my cousin's yard. We gotta cut this. I gotta limb up this tree right here. We gotta make this look good. We gotta start getting this under control every week. I'm gonna start doing weekly lawn care on it. I gotta get the front right here. I gotta get this all cut. Keep getting the weeds sprayed out. I've gotta get over here, get the bushes trimmed. We're gonna be doing some landscaping in the front. Gonna be probably ripping this rock out, putting down landscape fabric. Probably going to be putting black mulch in. Have to redo this corner up here by this telephone post. Probably going to be ripping most of this out and either putting black mulch there, but we gotta do the same going down here. And the backyard needs a little bit of work. I gotta get some work done back there. There's a bunch of weeds that need to constantly be sprayed out because they constantly grow. You can hear the dogs barking. He's got like 5 dogs, and they crap like crazy. So I cut this backyard last Sunday, and that's how it's grown good a little bit since. And I cut it extra short. I think I cut it at 2.5 or something like that, 2 3/4. But he's got to get some work done over here and over here, but we're gonna get this cut, get it looking good. Let's do it.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. My camera battery died, so I didn't get to do an outro, but I got the tree limbed up, I got everything put in a pile, ready for next week when I come by to take some of it back. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And you guys have a good day.